Fáilte go ceacht trochas a ní. Lesson 39. Great to have you along. Do remember to start with lesson 1 if you stumbled under this by accident, because otherwise it will not make sense. Okay. How would you say in Irish, I will go to Dublin tomorrow? Can you remember? Just start with I will go. What's that? Rahime. Rahime. Good. So now, I will go to Dublin. Rahime go baile clia. Good. I will go to Dublin tomorrow. Rahime go baile clia amarach. Well done. Now we're going to ask a new question, which is, what do you think? And in Irish, we're going to say, Kajay de warul. Kajay is easy, that's just like what. But de warul literally means like your opinion. So you're asking, what's your opinion? But I'm going to say it as, what do you think? So just repeat that. Kajay de warul. Good. So say again, I will go to Dublin tomorrow. Yeah. Rahime go baile clia amarach. What do you think? Kajay de warul. Would you like to go? Or wailyat gull? Can you remember how to say with me? Yeah, that's right. It's liam. Liam. So now say, would you like to go with me? Or wailyat gull liam? What do you think? Kajay de warul. And the answer is, I would like. But why? But I hurt my foot yesterday. Ach, rorti me machos inye. Ask, what happened? Kajay Harla. I was running on the beach. Vi me agree or an tra, and I fell. Agus hitch me, and I hurt my foot. Agus uarti me machas. So now say, I would like to go to Dublin, but William go baile clia, but I would prefer to stay at home. Ac barlium fanacht sawala. Can you say, you must go to the doctor? Cahitu go gajian doctor. Very good. And say, I will go to the doctor. Rahime gajian doctor. But I would prefer to go to the cinema. Ac barlium go gajian fictolan. Okay, now I ask, what's your opinion? Kajay de warul. Would you like to go to the cinema with me? Or wailyat go gajian fictolan yum? Very good. Say, I wouldn't. I would prefer to go to the restaurant. Near why? Barlium go gajian vialan. Because I'm hungry. Marta okras orum. Now I ask, what's your opinion? What do you think? Kajay de warul. Are you hungry? And will okras ort. Did you get that? Good. And will okras ort. Say, I'm not hungry. Think about that. Make it negative. I'm not hungry. Yeah. Níl okras orum. But I'm thirsty. Ac tá tart orum. What do you think? Would you like to go to the pub? Kajay de warul. Or wailyat go gajian pub? Okay. Now we're going to say well, which is just going to be well, right? Say, well, I'm not thirsty. Go on. Well, níl tart orm, but I would like to go to the pub. Ach bhfuil liom gul go dtí an pub. Say, I like the pub. Is my liom an pub? But now say, but you have to go to the doctor. Ach caithi tú gul go dtí an doctor? Because you hurt your foot. Mar ghortaí tú do chus. Did you get that? When it was, I hurt my foot, ghortaí mé machas. You hurt your foot, ghortaí tú do chus. Gumai. Very good. Say, I will go to the doctor tomorrow. Rahi mé go dtí an doctor amárach. I would prefer to go to the pub now. Barlium gul go dtí an pub anish. Now listen to this, because we're going to use isfar again, like isfar liom, but we're not putting the liom in. We're going to use it a different way. Okay? This is why he wants to go to the pub. He says, isfar liom Guinness na paracetamol. Okay, so that's how to say Guinness is better than paracetamol. Now, you may or may not agree with this, okay? But listen to the use of isfar, then something, and then you say na, and then the other thing. So something is better than something. Isfar Guinness na paracetamol. How would you say tea is better than coffee? Yeah, isfar té na cafe. How would you say whiskey is better than Guinness? Isfar ishgaba na Guinness. Intach mai. Now that we know that Cajay de Warrel is what's your opinion, or what do you think? I wonder, can you guess how you would say in my opinion? Yeah, is in, and then my opinion is moarul instead of dowarul. So say again, in my opinion, immoarul, intach mai. Inish. Now, how would you say Belfast is better than Dublin? Is far Belfastja na Baile Clia, in my opinion. Immoarul. Okay? And now ask, what's your opinion? Cajay de Warrel. Okay? And if you want, as we know, if you want to make it emphatic, so not what's your opinion, but what's your opinion, okay? We can't lean into, we're not going to say Cajay de Warrel. We stick sa onto the end of it. Cajay de Warrel sa. Cajay de Warrel sa. Okay? So let's try that again. Not Belfast and Dublin. We'll do Derry is better than Newry. Derry is better than Newry. How'd you say that? Is far dire na Iúir, in my opinion. Immoarul. What's your opinion? Cajay de Warrel sa. Did you remember how to say Newry? Very good. I'm glad you did. Let's say the beach is better than the cinema, in my opinion. Is far an tra na Fechterlan immoarul. Very good. Ask again, what's your opinion? Cajay de Warrel sa. Very good. Okay, now say, I will go to the doctor tomorrow. Rahi mé go dtí an doctor amárach. And we're going to, this is our last new phrase for the day, right? Is it's not worth it, which is ní fiú é. Ní fiú é. Ní fiú é. It's not worth it. It's of no value, right? It's not worth it. So say again, I will go to the doctor tomorrow. Rachi mé go dtí an doctor amárach. But it's not worth it, in my opinion. Ach ní fiú é I Mhúrn. Because Guinness is better than paracetamol. Mar is far Guinness na paracetamol, in my opinion. I Mhúrn. What's your opinion? Cé do Mhúrn? Or if you want to be emphatic, cé do Mhúrn sa? What's your opinion? Very good. Can you remember how to say, I like ice cream? Yeah. Is mailum uach de ráte? Can you remember how to say brown bread? Yeah, Aaron done. So say, I like ice cream, but I prefer brown bread. Is mailum uach de ráte, ach is fearlium Aaron done. So now say, brown bread is better than ice cream, in my opinion. Is fear Aaron done na uach de ráte I Mhúrn? Say, I like watching TV. Yeah, is mailum arc or an jellyfish, but I prefer listening to music. Ach is fearlium éisteacht le ceol. And now do it the other way around. Say, listening to music is better than watching TV. Is fear éisteacht le ceol na arc or an jellyfish, in my opinion. I Mhúrn. Good. Now we're just going to quickly squeeze in ní fiú é again. We're going to say, would you like to go to the restaurant? Go on. Or while leat go dtí an bhíol an? Say, I would not like to. Níor why. Say, it's not worth it because I'm not hungry. Ní fiú é. Mar níl ocras orm. Very good. Ask, would you like to go to the pub? Or while leat go dtí an pub? Say, I wouldn't. Níor why. Say, it's not worth it because I'm not thirsty. Ní fiú é. Mar níl tart orm. And that'll do for today. Mhacha, slán.